let's look at deleting worksheets. Now, I do want to make a word of caution here. Be very careful that when you're working with sheets, when you want to delete the worksheets, because unlike many things in Excel, when you delete a worksheet, it is physically impossible to undo a worksheet. The only thing that you can do if you maybe deleted a worksheet is to immediately close the Excel file and do not save the document, and then reopen the file, and then the sheet should appear. So let's look at the scenario. Maybe you've been working with a sheet, and you've been working with the sheet for the last 2 or 3 hours, customizing the sheet, adding new things to the sheet, and really designing and working with the sheet. And then you save the file, and then you decided to delete the sheet for some or other reason, and you selected OK. And now what you now need to decide is if you're going to close the Excel file and open up the Excel file, and possibly you're going to have to redo 2 hours of work, or are you going to just simply recreate the sheet and start basically from the beginning. So imagine that you've been working for 2 hours, you deleted the sheet, now you close the Excel file just to get the sheet back, but now you have to recreate 2 hours of work. So always make sure that before you delete the sheets, okay, make sure that you really wanted to delete the sheet. So let's look at this in action. Okay, I'm going to right click on this new long sheet name. I'm going to, on the contextual menu, I'm actually now going to select delete, and there it's gone. So now if I want to undo, see there, undo and redo is grayed out. If I press Ctrl Z, nothing happens. That sheet is gone. So now do I close my Excel file and reopen it and the sheet is back, or do I recreate the sheet rather and wait and do not waste 2 hours of work? So you really need to be careful. So if you right click, delete, there we go, it's still there. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete the sheet. Do you want to continue? I want to emphasize the word permanently, because once you've deleted it, you cannot undo it or even recover the sheet. So let's select delete, and the sheet is gone.